Hi, hi. Hello. Okay, I have something special to tell you guys. I'm kind of excited. Before I tell you, welcome back to my YouTube channel where I have started making regular videos because I want to make this my source of income. You know what I mean? I am going to my first ever influencer event. You. This is a new product launch for a brand that I always felt कि हाय मैं कभी तो यूज़ करूँगी वगैरह, बट मुझे थोड़े महंगे लगते थे तो मैंने कभी किया नहीं. But yeah, now I am being invited for the new launch and I'm kind of excited. So I'm so excited to take you guys through all the experience and everything, and hold on tight. You are judging. Okay, great.
It shows me cleaning activities. So even if it's minor in nature, it still is good in terms of its cleansing activity.
Oh my god, is this like one of the best days of my life? I am so freaking excited. I mean, मैं यहाँ पे बहुत लोगों का ऐसा चेहरा देखती हूँ जिनको मैं इंटरनेट पे देखती हूँ, though I might not know their name, तो मैं उनसे फोटो नहीं ले पा रही हूँ. But oh my god, I'm so happy. Well,
Wait for their turn and like giving equal, but in North, since more people know them, they go crazy.
remove it. I to remove it.
Right? Let's just remove it. Wait,
Okay.
one
I met two new people who I'm friends with now. So you're gonna tell your name.
I'm Bhavya.
Hi, I'm Disha.
And we have become influencers besties now.
Yes.
Gonna match this excitement, alright? So, all of us, are you ready? Yes! Okay, fantastic. If you are someone who embodies the spirit of innovation, of care, and of clarity, he is director at Law.
If you're confused, don't be sassy. Guys, all you gotta come do is ask your Kaniz Masi. Alright. Congratulations. Okay, you can go now. No, no. As a group, would you like to say a few words? No need. Thank you so much. Thank you very much. Please keep it going for Rohit, ladies and gentlemen. You're a kitchen legend, but you do not belong in our place, okay? Say promise, I will not let you use me. Alright, he said it. You couldn't hear it, but he said thank you. Give it up for me, please. In Hindi. हमारा उंगली तो हमारा पिंपल choose करो. No? What? No. My professor, stop the music. I have more to say. I have more to say. Don't play the music just yet. I decided to focus on my girlfriends now because my girlfriends build me up brick.
Came back from the event and got this goodie bag. I'm so excited to show you guys and tell my experience. That was crazy. So crazy. finally, I was actually back from the event yesterday night and और वहाँ पे उसके बाद और मैं कुछ vlog नहीं कर पाई थी because I was dead exhausted. I had to put few stories which I did and called it a day, but wanted to come here, show you guys, wanted to give this vlog a nice end. So who's ready for some gossip? Okay, first of all, before we head into all those stuff, I got this goodie bag from there, so I'll give you guys a quick what haul or what was there. So first of all, I kind of like this bag only, first of all. ठीक है, ये bag बहुत usable है, तो ये मैं रख रही हूँ for sure. दूसरी चीज़, this was a certificate that we got, certificate of achievement that we attended that skincare class. Then a graduation cap. I do have some graduation cakes. Chef kiss. I never got the chance to attend my graduation because COVID mein tha, so it was fun to attend this. Then this had all the schedule, what was supposed to happen kal, ye wo tha. Then got this cute sticker which is actually good, but मुझे पता नहीं मैं कहाँ use करूँगी, but yeah, nice stickers. Then I got this journal and it's really good. If you can see, right, यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है morning routine, evening routine, and it's a nice notebook. Then सबसे best चीज़ that I got is this flask like bottle. This is a steel bottle, but yeah, यहाँ पे CeraVe printed है. And then there is this sticker of CeraVe that has CeraVe Acne Academy 2025. Then we got few skincare products. So we have cleansers. Then we have some AHA and BHA. So these are for, I have no idea what. Reduce blemishes and imperfection, improves the looks of the pore, helps to maintain the protective skin barrier. So basically it's a blemish control gel to help your pores. So these, and then got this cutesy retinol serum, which is good. I mean, I have started applying retinol, so this will be a good stuff to start with. Okay, that's it in the bag. You can see it's empty now. Okay, first of all, I'm actually not gonna lie, I'm really grateful that I got this opportunity to go. And this vlog and this video is definitely not sponsored by the brand कि brand ने बोला ये vlog बनाने के लिए. This is something I made for myself, and ये मेरा first experience था. Like this was my first brand event / you can say influencer event, and I was quite delighted that I got the chance to visit because मतलब मुझे पता था, मुझे ये सब चीज़ें बहुत ऐसे फैंसी और बहुत ऐसे admiring लगती थी जो मैं दूसरों को देखती थी. Now that I got the chance to do it, so I was super delightful. Like I was delighted. What is delightful? I was delighted. I am grateful that I got the chance to do it. There were actually a lot of ifs and buts, and मेरे दिमाग में ऐसे चीज़ें थी जो clear out हुई हूँ. And definitely I'm not gonna tell you in this video. I'm gonna make a separate rant video about that. But overall the experience was so good. There were a lot of influencers there. Okay, so जो known faces हैं, okay, मतलब मैं बहुतों का चेहरा जानती हूँ, just that I don't follow a lot of influencer. मुझे उनका नाम नहीं पता, ठीक है, but बहुत ऐसे नोन फेसेस थे. बट जिनको मैं जानती हूँ नाम वाइज, उनके साथ ही मैंने पिक्चर्स लिए, क्योंकि इफ आई डोंट नो समबडीज नेम आई कांट जस्ट गो एंड टैप देम एंड कैन आई गेट अ पिक्चर. दैट वुड हैव बीन वेरी ऑकवर्ड. बहुत ही वियर्ड लगता अगर मैं वो करती तो वो मैंने बिल्कुल नहीं किया. आई गॉट पिक्चर्स विद अंकुश, साक्षी एंड आयुष, इफ यू नो ही इज एन एक्टर. देन आई गॉट पिक्चर्स एंड it was a fun session. The food was so good, and I met 2 incredible girls there. You know, like we were together all the time, clicking each other pictures, making snippets, videos for each other. So overall, the like whole experience of mine was really great. Like, I'm grateful for the goodies because actually this is my first time trying CeraVe also, so I'm kind of looking forward to it. How the skin, मैंने बहुत लोगों से सुना है कि ये काफ़ी अच्छा brand है. So let's see how it turns out for me. And yeah, I guess that's it. I think I should wrap this vlog. Was such a delightful time that I had, and just grateful. So thank you so much for watching this vlog if you have watched it till end, and I'm gonna definitely post a new vlog soon, so stay tuned and stay healthy, stay happy, take care of everybody around you, love everybody. And in case if you haven't subscribed it, go subscribe it, share it to everybody, get the channel subscribed, and that's it. See you soon in another vlog. Till then, stay healthy, stay happy, and take care.